Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and today is January 19. The time is 4 a.m. GMT. For today we are looking at the chart of the Dow. This is Dow Futures 90 minutes chart. Now we can see right now that it started to decline. And the structure of the drop is looking impulsive. 1, 2, 3 so far. Now so far it's only 3 swing, by the way, right? So technically it still can be an ABC instead of 5 waves, right? So we still need to wait a little bit to get the confirmation this is going to be a 5 waves down. Otherwise this could be just a simple ABC and then let's say rally again. Okay. Now I think if we can continue to go down to 1.618, I think that will give the favor or the balance towards the more bearish side. Okay, now we can see right now we ended B here and this is your A. So we have this rally here, finish at 34,487. Potentially we could extend lower now within the C leg. Now if you see an A and a B, that is telling you that actually the higher degree is bullish, right? If this is a bearish trend, then this cannot be an A and a B. It would have been 1 or 2, right? 1 and 2. But the fact that this is a B suggests that despite the decline here, this is part of the C leg, which is corrective, right? So if we zoom out on the 4-hour, and let's try to copy the B. The B will be here and the A will be here, right? That's exactly what we saw here in the 1 hour. So if that's basically what we are looking at now, the full count is available in all different time frame inside the member area. You can try our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So what we are looking at here is a rally that started from October 2022. Now this rally, it does look impulsive, 5 waves. So now we're looking to do some sort of a 3 waves pullback, right? ABC. So if we mention the extension, the C leg can potentially go to this area here between 100%, 161.8, 30,385, 31,952. Provided again that this becomes an impulse. So far, at this point, so far it's only 3 swing. It could be just a false sort of sell-off today and only to completely reverse, but it looks like we might be able to get extension to the downside here, becoming a 5 waves. Now in which case that 5 waves down will be ending 1 of C, right? 1 of C, and then you will then be able to get something like this: 2 of C, 3 of C, 4 of C, and then 5 of C, right? Now remember, because of the A and a B, so that means the higher degree trend remains bullish, and so this area right here can see buyers, right? And if this is bullish, then we might even from here go to new high again, extend again, and break above this previous peak, 35,215. Okay, so that's the idea here. We're looking for now for the downside, as long as it stays below 34,487 within the C leg, and then right here is where we expect buyers to come and then push higher again for the indices to go to new high. All right, so I'll see you all again next time and have a nice day, everyone.